So how to share Wi-Fi connection to iPhone to Android? Simply open up your iPhone and go to the personal hotspot. Just enable your personal hotspot and set your Wi-Fi password as well. Now go back to your device, Android device, and search on. And you can see iPhone 16. This is my iPhone 16. Press on this device and connection failed. That's mean you have to enter your password. So in this case, go to your details, go to setting, advanced setting, then you can see the manage network. Just forgot this device, delete. Now go back to your Wi-Fi again and search the network. Here it is. Now enter your password and press on connect. You can select auto or press on connect. Now it's connected. Now you can use this phone Wi-Fi on your this device. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.